everyone, let's troubleshoot the issue of your keyboard language changing on its own in Windows. Follow these simple steps to fix it. Begin by searching for Advanced Keyboard Settings in the search box. Click on Advanced Keyboard Settings when it appears. Next, click on Language Bar Options. This will open a new window. Navigate to the Advanced Key Settings tab, then click on Change Key Sequence. Select Not Assigned for both Switch Input Language and Switch Keyboard Layout. This prevents accidental changes when using specific key combinations. Then, click Apply and then OK. If the issue persists, try an additional step. Right-click on the Start button and select Run, or press the Windows and R key simultaneously to open and run dialog. Type intl.cpl and click OK to open the region window. In the Administrative tab, click on Copy Settings. Select both options, Welcome Screen and System Accounts, and New User Accounts. Click OK twice to apply the changes. And that's it. This step should resolve the issue of your keyboard language changing unexpectedly. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye!